Same with faze virus. They're saying cancel this guy. Cancel him. Why? Because he disagrees with this.
That's a gender.
Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to another episode of Smile to Jannah. This month is regarded as Pride Month for the LGBTQ, and a lot of corporations, a lot of government handles, as we can see, are virtually signaling us, like the Home Office. Yes, that's right. Any British government account you go on, you'll see the rainbow flag there. Forget that. Some of you guys might still be deluded into thinking, nah mate, don't talk about it mate, just leave it mate. I'm sorry, but that just doesn't work anymore. Why? Because even when you take your kids to the cinema, there's no person watching that doesn't know who Harry Potter is. Yeah, everybody knows who Harry Potter is, and most of you will know who his headmaster Dumbledore is. And in the latest movie, The Secrets of Dumbledore, in the first 5 minutes of the movie, they say he's gay. Yeah, it's clear. He's talking about loving another man.
I went along because I was in love with you.
And I'm sure we remember the children's classic Toy Story. Now they have a spin-off called Lightyear, in which there is a lesbian kiss. Normally Disney allows countries to censor certain parts, but now they're trying to force this down not only our throats, but the throats of our children in the countries that they are pushing this notion, and in the countries that disagree with it. This is enforced liberalism.
And in Doctor Strange, the second one that's come out, the multiverse one, normally a program in which if they are airing in Saudi Arabia, they say, look, Saudi goes, take this scene out. They go, okay, no problem. But this is the first time Doctor Strange has said, no, we're not doing that, mate. Yeah, we're seeing Burger King. Even those guys are virtue signaling when it comes to LGBTQ. And I mean, the list goes on. Yeah, the list goes on. You cannot now be quiet about this. It's as simple as that. Am I saying it, you know, start hatred and start? No. But the thing is, unfortunately and sadly, anyone who speaks out, when I say speaking out, just disagreeing with it, you're seen as a homophobe. You're seen as somebody that is increasing and promoting hate, discrimination, and all this sort of stuff. And the biggest kind of, I don't know, to my knowledge, the biggest gaming network is the FaZe clan on YouTube. A bunch of YouTubers, a bunch of gamers. So they call the FaZe clan. So one of their members called faze virus from Saudi Arabia, he said, I don't support LGBTQ because I'm a Muslim. Yeah, no, nothing to do with hate here. Just saying, look, I don't support it. And why did he say that? Because FaZe clan have got, they're the umbrella group. They're the, like, that's what the group is known as. They said FaZe clan, you know, some form of promotion of LGBTQ. So naturally, faze virus is from Saudi Arabia. He doesn't accept this stuff. So he felt the need to let the people know that FaZe clan is not speaking for all of us. Yeah. So now some people, they're saying, why is he saying he doesn't support us? He's homophobic. What? So if you don't support Islam, does that mean you're an Islamophobe? Even that footballer from PSG that we saw, Idrissa, he was just quiet and he just didn't want to put the rainbow thing on. Oh, no, cancel him, mate, cancel him. Same with faze virus. They're saying cancel this guy, cancel him. Why? Because he disagrees with this. So I'm sorry, but we need a clear stance when it comes to these things now. And we need to have these conversations. And the reason is, guys, because they are encouraging, this is amongst YouTubers and the youth, they're being encouraged to transition. And those people that don't fit in certain groups, the LGBT community is very accepting and they feel a connection with the LGBTQ community. So guys, this is not easy. Yeah, why? Because when it comes to our kids, this is something that's been experimented on our kids. They're being given puberty blockers. Are you hearing me? Puberty blockers. It blocks puberty. And the research suggests puberty blockers now affect bone density, which is very important if you're growing up and you're a kid. It affects your ability to get orgasms. It affects, fertility. So puberty blockers are a problem to such a degree that the biggest people that are promoting LGBT, all-inclusive nations like Finland and Sweden, even these guys have stopped giving puberty blockers to kids because it's having such a big effect. Now, if you're not even allowed to talk about puberty blockers and early surgeries, like Abigail, yeah, she released a book that was talking about castration and, you know, irreversible surgery and stuff like that. And her book was being called to get banned. So if you can't even read this content, you can't discuss, I'm sorry, what happened to freedom of speech? Anytime these sorts of things, well, especially when it comes to Islam and Muslims get discussed, freedom of speech, shut up, freedom of speech. But how comes freedom of speech doesn't apply when it comes to Zionism? How comes it doesn't apply when it comes to LGBTQ? Yeah? How comes it doesn't apply when it comes to these sorts of things? Why do you only use this when it comes to Islam and Muslims? And why is it that Muslims tolerate this sort of nonsense from these people? I'm sorry, we need to know where this hypocrisy is taking place, and we should not allow and accept somebody to feed us this hypocritical notion of freedom of speech. It's absolutely hypocritical. Now, why would a person want to go to LGBT if you're young? Okay, you're struggling to make friends, you're getting bullied. That's part and parcel of growing up. Oh, you don't like, you know, the way women are portrayed. You don't like that Kardashian thing. But Kim Kardashian's not the only way for you to become a woman. Yeah, she's not the be all and end all. I mean, in one of her interviews, she's saying, yeah, I will eat feces. I will eat poo if it means I can look younger. Why on earth would you want to follow a maniac like that? It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. So guys, look, you're struggling to make friends or whatnot. Look, that's part and parcel of growing up. Yeah, it will make you strong when you grow up. It will, if you become a teacher, you'll be able to help other kids or whatnot. But don't go to these sorts of solutions that are irreversible, like getting a sore and, you know what I'm saying, chemically castrating yourself. Yeah, getting rid of your genitalia and then regretting it. Yeah, trans regret. So guys, this was very disappointing to see. And I mean, whether you're FaZe clan, no matter who you are, you know, the LGBT thing is ridiculous, frankly. The hypocrisies that we're seeing, it's actually really disappointing to see. So guys, let's leave it there. Hope you guys have benefited from this. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.